Hello folks, this is Ajha from inspiredtorise.com, and there are very few small pieces of tech which are all around us, but if we have them, they make our lives very much easier. This charger by Xiaomi is one of those things. It is one of the quick charge 3.0 supporting chargers which are present online, and this bad boy supports up to 9V 2A charging, 5V 3A charging and 12V 1.5A charging. It can be used to charge devices supporting quick charge 3.0 very easily, and if you have some other devices also, it would charge them quite fastly. So I believe that it's one of those cheap tech things which should be in everybody's backpack. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for this device. It's a very simple, just a normal charger for your devices, and as we already told you that it supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, so almost all of the Quick Charge 3.0 devices would charge very fastly using this. I personally use this to charge the Vivo Next device that I'm using right now, and needless to say, it charges them really quickly. So at just around 449 rupees, it's one of those pieces of tech which I believe is very essential, and when it's in your backpack, you would be saved from a lot of hassle of fast charging your devices because it works with almost every device that I tested it with. So 5V 3A charging has got you covered, otherwise 9V 2A would also work for you. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.